Alaikum, grade 3. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. Today is 4th January and Monday. Our chapter is length and we are on page number 78. So open up your books and start our lecture, page number 78. Grade 3. Today we will learn about the writing the length of the objects in meters and centimeters. So how would you write? Can you see on now open up question number 3, page 78. Question number 3, page 78. Which unit would you use to measure the following centimeters or meters? Now what you have to do, these are the objects given us. For example, the first one is paper pin. Now you have to identify the length of the paper pin. You know how long the paper pin is? This is the pin. We can say this is the safety pin. So the paper pin is as long as this safety pin. So what would you think? Can you estimate the length of this safety pin? It is about 3 to 4 centimeters, not meters, centimeters. So the things, वो चीज़ें जो बहुत ज़्यादा smaller होती हैं, like this safety pin, we measure them in centimeters. And the things bigger than centimeter, like marker, pen, and like book, we measure in centimeters. And the bigger things like wall, whiteboard, we measure them in meters and centimeters. Okay, this marker again, you can measure this marker in centimeters. So let's start the topic. Paper pin. The length of the paper pin you will measure in centimeters. So we will write here cm. Cm stand for centimeter. B, fingernail. This nail, fingernail. What would be the length of this fingernail? Can you see the nail? Length of the nail. So we also measure it in centimeters. Centimeters is cm. D, C, height of a tree. Now the tree is very big and tall. You can measure it in meters. Okay, so what we will do, we measure the height of a tree in meters. Okay, length of a car, you also can measure the length of a car in meters. Playground. Now guys, you have to tell, playground is very big area, so you can measure the area in meters and kilometers. Okay, and distance from school to home. Yes, distance is the bigger unit than meters and centimeters, so distance is always measured in meters and kilometers. Okay, so we measure the distance in kilometers. km. Okay, meters you can say meters and kilometers. Okay, now brush up question number 1. Next, come to the next question. Estimate and measure these objects in meters and centimeters. So what you have to do, you have to estimate. पहले आपने खुद से estimate करना है. You have to write the estimated length measurement, and then you have to write the exact measurement after measuring with the scale and ruler and with the measuring tape. So length of a door, you can estimate. I can guess that the length of the door could be 2 meters and some 6 centimeters. 2 meters and 6 centimeters. So measure the length of your door at your home with the measuring tape and then write here. Okay, length of the lunch box, you can measure the length of the lunch box. The length of the lunch box could be say 18 to 19 centimeters. Okay, not in meters, it will be only 20 and 15 to 20 centimeters. Okay, 0 meter and few centimeters, and then you have to measure and then write it. Next, C part, the length of a book. You can measure the length of a book. Let's measure the length of a book. I will measure it for you. This is the scale. You can use scale for measuring the length of the book. So how would you measure? This is the length of the book. You can put the scale properly. Put like this, in this, from this side. These are the centimeters, and it is about 27 centimeters. Kitni hai? 0. Put the 0 side on the top side, and on other side you will see it is 27. You can see it here. It is 27 centimeters. Okay, great. These are the 27 centimeters. So next, now we will do converting units of length. The length of, the E part, the length of the matchbox. Yes, matchbox is also again a big area, so you can measure it in meter and centimeters. It could be 10 to how many meters you can think. Estimated matchbox. Matchbox could be 8 to 20 meters and in centimeters, and then you can write it here on your book. So come to the C part, converting units of length. So grade 3, I will tell you how to convert the units of length from meters to centimeters and from centimeters to meters. Always remember one thing, when we need to convert meters into centimeters, grade 3, remember one thing, meter is the bigger unit and centimeter is the smaller unit. For example, 5 meters hai, so you have to convert 5 meters into centimeters. What you will do, if meter is the bigger unit, from bigger to smaller, we always multiply with the 100. हम क्या करेंगे, मीटर्स को सेंटीमीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. क्यों मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? बिकॉज 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर्स होते हैं. सो फ्रॉम बिगर यूनिट टू स्मॉलर यूनिट में लाने के लिए वी विल मल्टीप्लाई विद द 100. You can multiply 5 multiply by 100. You will get the length in centimeters. 500s are 500 centimeters. Okay. Next example, you can convert 7 meters into centimeters. So 7 same way, 7 को multiply करेंगे with the 100. You will get 700 centimeters. Now, in the next case, from centimeters to meters. Centimeter is the smaller unit and meter is the bigger unit. So from smaller to bigger unit में convert करने के लिए हम divide करेंगे. क्या करेंगे? To convert centimeters into meters, we will divide by 100. For example, 700 centimeters है. So 700 को multiply करें with the 100, you will get 7. 700 divided by 700 centimeters है. You multiply divide 700 with the 100, you will get 7. Okay. How will you divide? You will divide 700 divided by 100. 100, what time will be 700? 7 time will be 700. Now subtract it. This is the long division method. You will subtract, then you will get 7. So the 7 is coming in the quotient. So 7 is your answer. You will write 7 meters. From centimeters to meters, we always divide. This is the rule of conversion of units from centimeters to meters and meters to centimeters. Remember always. Okay, grade 3. Now question number 1. Build up question 1. rewrite the following in centimeters. So you have to convert 6 meters into centimeters. What you will do here, you will multiply 6 with the 100 with the 6. 6 multiplied by 100, you will get 600. The answer will be 600 centimeters. 8 multiplied by 100, 800 centimeters. Okay, 4 meter multiply with the 100, you will get 400 centimeters. Okay, now come to the next page. Question number 2, rewrite the following in meters. How would you write in meters? These are the 200 centimeter. Now you will divide 200 by 100 to convert centimeters into meters. So how would you divide? You will use the long division method. Okay. So you will divide 200 with the 100 to get the meters. 400, divide 400 with the 100 again, division divided by 100. Again you will get 400. 1500 centimeters, divide 1500 over 100. Long division method, you will get 100. What time will be 500? Okay, use the long division method and then you will get the answer. Okay, D part and all these part you have to do. Thank you, grade 3.